The Bosch Deluxe Router Edge Guide greatly expands the versatility of Bosch routers. It makes it possible to do edge forming using non-piloted bits, and guides cuts along the workpiece edge or up to 8-inch. From the edge. Featured equipment includes a dust extraction hood and vacuum hose adapter that allows connection to 1 to 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch, and 35 mm hoses. The edge guide also includes a pivot plate and can be easily converted into a circle guide for making circles and arcs up to 32 inches in diameter. The feeler gauge is used to measure the gap size. When checking whether the measured size is qualified, you can use this method to judge, or the inspector can judge according to the tightness of the feeler gauge and the measured surface. It is mainly used for checking the gap value between two joint surfaces. This handy tool is simple to use and helps ensure precision marks for drilled holes or nail placement. No more wasting time making unnecessary adjustments and extra holes in your wall. Ideal for both single and dual mount frames, it's designed with a built-in bubble level, as well as onboard storage for hanging hardware.
The Miles Craft Featherboard features a dual slide motion design for quick and easy setup, as well as a unique preload design that allows the appropriate amount of tension to be set consistently. The Featherboard includes 3/4 inch and 5/8 inch miter bars, as well as T-slot bolts, allowing it to be used in nearly any application on router tables and table saws. Turbo Driver Ratcheting Self-Quick Adjusting Universal Wrench and Screwdriver. Heavy-duty zinc casting T-type handle with black soft rubberized surface treatment. Ergonomic comfortable type handle gives you the leverage to generate more torque. 3-position ratcheting and quick adjustable thumb button to grip object easily. Long-lasting durability precision investment steel casting jaw can hold most popular size hex nuts, wing nuts, square nuts, and especially broken or rusted nuts. Unlike conventional stud finders, which use only 1 or 2 sensors, the Franklin Sensors Per Sensor 710 uses 13 sensors simultaneously to detect studs. This multi-sense technology eliminates the calibration step other brand stud finders require. Just put it on the wall and press the button. It's quick and easy. The ProSensor 710 can detect multiple studs simultaneously. It accurately displays the center and edges of a stud at the same time.
Max clamping, 50mm. A professional tongs design can clamp round, hexagon and square workpiece, clamping steadily without skidding. Adjust jaw size rapidly, pressing push and sliding handle to control the size of opening. It's convenient and labor-saving. V-tongs inverted tooth design, with clear ridges, clamping steadily without skidding.
Six-in-one multi-driver, 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 7/16 inch, 9/16 inch nut drivers. Each bit is automatically machined for that precise and accurate sizing. The chamfered ends provides a smooth insertion into fasteners and protects both the bits and fastener from any damaging. Combined with the chrome vanadium steel sockets, you have great torque power that is dependable. The Torx bit socket set includes hard-to-find sizes that you normally cannot find. Save time and money with this set rather than searching and buying individual sockets. Weiken Wire Stripper is your tool for precise stripping of all common round and damp room cables with a diameter of 6 to 13 mm superscript 2. Smaller cable diameters such as 3 by 0.75 mm superscript 2 and hard-to-reach places in ceilings and walls, in junction and distribution boxes, switch cabinets are easily and smoothly accessible thanks to the modern box geometry.